Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe. I do fashion and beauty hauls and reviews and styling videos and so much more. So do subscribe. And today's video is going to be about summer kurta sets and like cord sets and some kurtas. So this is not going to be the casual everyday kurtas. This is going to be a little bit of party wear. Some of them which you can wear for some events. So this is going to be that collection, and I do have a casual everyday video coming up for summer kurtas as well, since a lot of you guys voted for that in the poll on Instagram. So I have that coming up next, where I'm going to show you guys some chikankari kurtas and some everyday kurtas for like office, workwear, college wear or everyday use. So that's coming up next. So in this video I'm going to show you guys some really pretty kurtas. Like, I have been loving this brand. So all of them are from this brand called TrueBrowns, and their fit is really good. They have up to like 8XL, I think, if I'm not wrong. They have regular sizes and they also have sizes up to like 7XL, 8XL, and they are definitely a little bit pricey usually, but during sale you can grab them for really good prices. They're available on Myntra and Ajio also, but I did get them from their website. This is one of my favorites and so perfect for summer, and also a little bit something like you can wear it out or even for a mehendi probably. So as you can see, this is a bandhani cord set. And the best part about TrueBrowns is that their pants are also, like, you know, well sized and well fitted. I got this in one size up, even wondering if the pants would be tight, but always the pants also turn out really good with TrueBrowns. That's one of the really good things. So as you can see, it has like a nice flare and everything. It has elastic at the waist, so it's all bandhani print, and this is a very beautiful pink. It's not a fuchsia exactly, it has a little bit of that coral kind of a vibe, so it's perfect for summer. It has long sleeves with some elastic, and this is it. This is the kurta and this is the cord set, but because it's plain, you can style it in so many different ways. You can wear it with like silver jewelry, you can layer silver jewelry and carry a colorful clutch and wear it for a mehendi party or some small occasion, or even if you're just heading out for coffee or a lunch or a dinner also, you can totally wear this. And if you're traveling in the summer, this is such a bright and beautiful color for summer also. So this is one of my favorites. The fabric is so soft and breathable, so it's perfect for summer. So they do have it in a couple of different colors and different models. Like, there's one in purple, but I think that one has a collar. Even that's a cord set. So this has to be one of my favorites for sure. You can definitely style it in so many different ways. Next we have one more cord set. This also is one of my favorites, but I don't quite like the length of this. It did look longer on the model but it does look a little short on me. So this is the cord set. Again, the trousers are really good. So generally I worry a little bit about trousers when I'm ordering online, but you don't have to worry about this brand. And this also, you have to check the sizes a little bit. Sometimes it can go up one size. So this one has like nice sleeves, really cute detailing on the sleeves. The top also has a slightly different detailing than the bandhani one. It has a little bit of flare here, so it adds a good flare, but it has pockets near the waist, so somehow near the waist it kind of makes me look wider. But nevertheless, the color is amazing. Again, perfect for summer. It's a beautiful green. The pants are also the same, and it has slight texture. So it's not plain green fabric, it has slight texture, so it looks really nice. Again, the quality is amazing. Everything with TrueBrowns, the quality is absolutely amazing. So just check sizes and make sure that you know, you check the measurements also on the website. So this is another one, again, perfect for summer. Near the thigh area and all, I see that the wrinkles do show up if you sit for a long period. I don't like that part of it, but again, it's very comfortable and smooth and soft for summer, or even generally in Indian weather. Again, it's the same. You can style it with silver jewelry, gold jewelry, or any colorful jewelry. You can wear simple gold accessories and carry a colorful clutch, and it would totally change the look. Another one of my favorites. This one is slightly party wear. Like, you can totally wear it for a wedding. I say wedding because I already wore this this, so it's inside out. Kind of looks like raw silk, but it's actually not raw silk. It's some Dupian silk or something maybe. It has slight texture which kind of makes it look like raw silk. It's a maroon shade. I was hoping it would be red, but it's maroon, and it has like long sleeves, and it has some detailing near the neck like this, which is like a V-neck. There's a little bit of pleats here, which kind of gives a nice look. I got like, I think 2 sizes up in this. I should have got like maybe 3XL or 4XL. I got 6XL, which is quite loose, but you know, as I mentioned, in the green one I got 4XL and it was a little tight on the chest area, so I thought, you know, let me get 2 sizes up because it's summer and I'm just not able to wear these you know, fitted kurtas. It has a nice flare to it and it's a long kurta, and because it's bright color and the texture kind of looks good, you can wear 2 neck pieces and kind of layer it, and you can totally wear it for like a small wedding or some occasion. You can pair it up with a heavy dupatta and again it becomes wedding wear, or if you wear it with like simple accessories, then you can wear it for like some sangeet, mehendi, or like, you know, smaller occasions like pujas and all that, maybe not sangeet. The size of the trousers is also really good. So these are the trousers. It comes with elastic both back and front, and the fabric is the same as the top. The quality is pretty good. This one, for the price, I think the quality of the fabric can be a little bit more better. They can have used like a slightly better silk, but it doesn't really show. Like, only if you know the fabric you can realize the difference. Lastly, I have this kurta. I have worn this quite a bit. I'm sure you would have seen this. Initially I thought you can double this and wear it as a jacket and a kurta, so that's why I got it. They do have jackets in the exact same fabric and color and design also. This I think is Dupian silk. It's slightly a different fabric from the material, maroon one. This has orange and pink, but they also have it in like purple and pink, red and pink, pink and pink. This one also has like elbow length or like longer sleeves, so this color change is throughout. So this is like a flap, but it's only on top of the kurta. It's not a jacket as such. It comes with like a button here. Again, because of the fabric, it looks like raw silk, so you can totally wear like 2-3 layers of neck pieces or like heavy jhumkas and make this work for like some puja or wedding related occasions. With this, I don't see that dupattas work that well. You can wear it with pants, you can wear it as it is as a dress also. This one's also really nice and I love the quality. This one's slightly thicker than the others, so again works for summer, but those are a little more thinner and softer fabrics. So again, this one is also really good for summer or basically for Indian wear if you're looking for something bright and colorful, but also, you know, simple. You can just accessorize and give it a nice look. So the last one, these are just trousers. I thought, you know, this was on sale, so I got it. So it has some texture on it. I wore them already, so they're a little wrinkled. So it's kind of like cotton mixed some fabric, and they have pockets, and you can see that here the waist is like this, and at the back it is elastic, has pockets and a little bit of like a detailing. It's not a plain purple, so these are again long pants. You can wear them as co-ord if you have like something in purple. You can totally wear like a peplum top and style this. So I thought, you know, the color looked nice and the fabric also looked nice with this texture detailing, so I got it, especially because the fit also I thought would look nice considering the kind of detailing that TrueBrowns usually has. And it's true, just that I think this fabric wouldn't last long. I don't think I could wear it for like everyday use, or after a couple of washes I think this will fade. That's how the fabric feels. But I did get it on sale, but still it was, I think, 700. If you like, I think you can skip this, but the rest of them are really good. I love the bandhani set, the green set, and the maroon one and the pink one also. Like, that's pretty much everything. So this one, I think, yeah, I got it, so I gotta wear it, and maybe I'll use it as a measurement for other trousers, because the trousers are really good and very well stitched, but the fabric could have been better. I definitely think it's gonna fade or, like, you know, wear out easily. So absolutely love everything from TrueBrowns. There was one more corset in a really beautiful bold blue. So I really wanted to get that also. I just thought, you know, I should try out a different style rather than the straight fits and like slightly flared ones. So I'm just waiting to see if I can find something else in that blue. Otherwise that blue is also amazing. I'll link that as well. So if you're looking for something to wear for summer weddings or like something simple, elegant, then for Indian wear, then this is great. I'll link everything in the description box, and I think they have a sale going on right now. And also do stay tuned for another summer kurtas haul, which is going to be casual everyday wear. And do let me know in the comments below what other summer videos you would like to watch on this channel and my Telugu channel as well. Do subscribe to both my channels and also find me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.